so your painting is taking a week or more to dry. You can't take the next step to move your work forward because this will smear the painting you have done so far. Well, in this short video we will explore materials and techniques to make your work dry faster so you can complete your work in a shorter amount of time. See you on the other side.
The Sunday Painter. Please click and subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget the little bell so you will be the first when we have an inspirational idea.
We all have this problem, waiting and waiting for the work to dry. Here are some simple suggestions that will fix this issue so you can get on painting your masterpiece. I will put links in the description below the video so you can take a look at the products I recommend to speed up your drying time. Here are the simplest solutions to your problem. First, this is obvious: keep the work in a warm room with a fan, which helps the paint to dry. The next idea is to use odorless turpentine to thin your paints down to dry faster. The problem is that will kill or flatten the color and run everyone out of the house. Been there, done that. The other simple ideas are to use a heat gun or to paint in thinner layers. Heat guns are expensive and also wear you out. Painting in thin layers will dry faster but still take time to dry. Thicker the paint, the longer the dry time. You can also do an underpainting with acrylic paint. This dries quickly and you can paint your oil right over the top. Acrylic paint is more affordable than oils. I don't use this technique, but others do successfully. I would recommend using this if you paint in many layers, and you need to do a quick underpainting to cover the white of the canvas. But if you paint alla prima or with direct brushwork, this may kill the effect. Plus, it's just more stuff to keep up with. So, I just stay with oils. I'm going to tell you about a few products I use to speed up my dry time so I can paint the next day. First thing I use is a product called Liquin. It's a dryer and you use it like you would use walnut or linseed oil. I thin my paints and it usually dries overnight. A little goes a long way and keeps your paint creamy and workable. Can't live without it. It comes in different viscosities, fine detail if you're doing glazing. Original is what I use and the overall best in my experience. Thin there is light gel for a little more body to thicker painting styles like my pal Van Gogh. The next item to make your paints dry faster can be the type of paint you use. Winsor & Newton makes a great paint called Griffin Alkyd Fast Drying Oil Color Paint. With these your drying time will be cut down considerably. I use white in this brand because white take the longest to dry for me. It will mix well with all your oils you have now. They make beautiful colors in Griffin. I paint thin, so white is all I need, but if you're a little more like Van Gogh, you may want to experiment with the other colors too. Give them a try. The only problem is if you paint outdoors in the sun, they will dry in a few hours. Just keep this in mind. So there you have it. This will help your paints to dry faster so you can create more work. For more information on art, hit the subscribe button in the bottom of the video, and thanks for watching. Paint on, my friend, and let me know what you would like to see in the next channel video.